Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Smartwatch Ultra 2 to Wi-Fi. First, make sure your watch has at least 50% battery life. It's also important to keep your watch close to your Wi-Fi router for a strong signal. Finally, ensure your paired iPhone is nearby and already connected to the same Wi-Fi network you wish to join. This initial setup helps ensure a smooth connection process. Now, let's get your watch connected. Begin by opening the Settings app directly on your Smartwatch Ultra 2. Scroll down and tap on the Wi-Fi option to see all the available networks in your area. Once you find your preferred network, simply tap on its name. You'll then be prompted to enter the network password using the convenient on-screen keyboard. After entering, tap Join. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your watch isn't connecting, first double-check that you've entered the Wi-Fi password accurately. A simple restart of both your Smartwatch Ultra 2 and your Wi-Fi router can often resolve many issues. You can also try forgetting the network on your watch and attempting to reconnect from scratch. Lastly, confirm your router supports common Wi-Fi standards. Connecting your Smartwatch Ultra 2 to Wi-Fi offers fantastic benefits. You can receive important notifications and messages even when your iPhone isn't within Bluetooth range. It also allows you to stream music directly to your Bluetooth headphones and download new apps or updates right on your wrist. This connectivity provides a greater sense of independence, making your watch even more versatile. Enjoy your connected experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.